Welcome, friends, to a truly unique and intriguing culinary journey. Today, we will take you into the wonderful world of kosher cuisine, exploring a countdown of the top 10 typical dishes that will leave you speechless. From the sacred challenge of making authentic challah, to the irresistible flavor of Matzo Ball Soup, and the mysterious and delicious bagel, there are tastes and traditions that go far beyond what you can imagine. There are dishes that tell ancient stories, and comfort foods that win the hearts of those who taste them. So, get ready to discover exotic ingredients and fascinating cooking techniques that are part of one of the most captivating and traditional cuisines in the world. Are you ready to delight your taste buds and satisfy your curiosity? Well, without further ado, let's begin this culinary adventure to discover the most fascinating kosher dishes. But first, make sure to click the subscribe button and activate the notification bell so you won't miss a single delicious episode. Let's get started. 10. Shakshuka. It's a dish made with eggs poached in a tomato and pepper sauce. Here are the ingredients: eggs, tomatoes, peppers, onions, garlic, paprika, cumin, salt, pepper. Take notes for the recipe. 1. Heat oil in a pan and add chopped onions and garlic until golden. 2. Add diced peppers and tomatoes, paprika, cumin, salt, and pepper. Cook until the tomatoes break down. 3. Make cavities in the sauce and crack the eggs into them. Cover and cook until the eggs are set but the yolk is still soft. 9. Gefilte fish. They are white fish patties traditionally served with horseradish sauce. Ingredients: white fish, usually carp, pike, or perch, onions, eggs, stale bread, salt, pepper, horseradish sauce. Here's the recipe. 1. Blend the fish, onions, eggs, stale bread in a blender. Add salt and pepper. 2. Form patties and cook them in salted water until firm. 3. Serve with horseradish sauce. 8. Challah. It's a sweet, braided, and soft bread, often consumed on Saturdays. The ingredients are flour, water, yeast, eggs, sugar, oil, salt. Here's the recipe. 1. Mix flour, water, yeast, sugar, and oil in a bowl. 2. Add eggs and salt and knead until you have an elastic dough. 3. Braid the dough and bake it until golden. 7. Matzo Ball Soup. It's a chicken soup with soft and light matzo balls. Ingredients: chicken, chicken broth, matzo meal, eggs, oil, salt, pepper. Here's how to make it. 1. Prepare a chicken broth seasoned with vegetables. 2. Mix matzo meal, eggs, oil, salt, and pepper to create matzo balls. 3. Cook the matzo balls in the broth until light and the chicken is cooked. 6. Kugel. A dish made from noodles or potatoes, often seasoned with eggs and sugar. Ingredients: noodles or potatoes, eggs, sugar, butter, cinnamon, raisins. Here's the recipe. 1. Cook the noodles or potatoes and mix them with eggs, sugar, melted butter, cinnamon, and raisins. 2. Bake until golden and crispy. 5. Blintzes. They are crepes filled with sweet cheese or potatoes. Ingredients: crepes, sweet cheese or potatoes, butter, sugar, cinnamon. How to make them. 1. Fill the crepes with sweet cheese or potatoes. 2. Fold the crepes and cook them